Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Here's a quick tutorial on how I remove rusty brake line fittings. I already sprayed some penetrating lubricant on the threads and let it sit for a while, which helped me get the fitting able to turn a little bit. I'm in Ohio, so of course this fitting is seized to the brake line and not spinning like it should. If I just keep trying to turn this fitting counterclockwise, it'll twist the brake line and break it off. Then I'll have to replace this whole section of line. Ask me how I know about that. What I've learned to do in this situation is slowly loosen the fitting as far as you can without forcing it. Then retighten it. Then apply some lubricant to the space between the fitting and the line. Do this a few times, loosening it a little farther each time. Keep doing this process over and over, loosening the fitting farther each time and applying lube. Be sure to take your time and allow the lubricant to penetrate the rust. If you're lucky and don't loosen too much at once, it'll eventually thread all the way out without breaking the line. Also be sure to use a flare nut wrench as I am, not a standard crescent wrench, to avoid rounding off the fitting. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more how-to videos and updates here at the 6th Gear Garage.